So today we are going to talk about Nifty 50 versus Nasdaq 100. So Nifty 50 has not given any return in the past 1 year, while Nasdaq 100 has given more than 20% return in the past 1 year, and it is a index of IT companies in the US. And the three major indexes of US are S&P 500, Dow and Jones, Nasdaq 100. All of them have given a good amount of return in the past 1 year. In the coming time, it is expected to be a slow growth in India, and Nifty 50 is expected to grow by 5 to 6% in the coming 1 year. And if you can see the growth outside India indexes, if you have that much amount of risk capacity, then you can also invest over there. We can see the consistent growth in the EPS of Nasdaq, such as 12%, 8%, 11%, while the future growth estimate of EPS of Nifty 56 to 12%, while Nasdaq 100 is 13%. In this case, you should also do some allocation in the foreign equities also. But one disadvantage of the foreign equities is that they have 30% tax, and on Indian equities it is 10 to 12 percentage. It is difficult to track the individual stocks whether it is in India or outside India. So it is better to invest in the ETF or index fund of Nasdaq 100. I am saying you about the diversification because the Indian markets have not given that much amount of return in the past 1 year. Of course, the comparison is not possible, but Nasdaq 100 contains or includes major companies such as Microsoft, Nvidia Corporation, Facebook, etc.